Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium Box for April 2021. So let's begin. So the theme for this box is Sweet Treats. The variation number for this box is C21043110-PM. And these are the products, their retail value, and their Instagram handles, and like all that. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing I see here are these Nature's Lux and Willow reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. So they're made of cotton and bamboo. Interesting. So these, actually, let's see. I don't see what they retail for. Am I missing something? Or is this extra? It might be extra. Well, let's wait and see, because I do not see this on this chart. Okay, I'll come back to it, see if it's an extra item or not. So, yeah, so I can just open it. I'm not gonna open it actually right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this item is a basic bead eyeshadow palette by Maven Beauty. Is this not on there too? It should be. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what happened with that card. I might have gotten a wrong card. Okay. So this is what it looks like. These are pretty colors. Wow. So these are the 4 colors. They're so, wow, shiny. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what they look like. Wow, this one's like rose gold and pink and gold shift. Wow. Those are shiny. Okay. Cool. I think this is from Fashion Nova. That's their brand. They sell it. Okay. Let's see. The next item is this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. It is beautiful. It is the Coral palette, and this is on the list. It retails for $48. Okay. I want to see the sparkly ones first. Wow. I love the small one here. It's like a really pretty shift. Wow. They're great colors. That one's really pigmented, but I like the shift in that one. And let's see. Swatch those two as well. Okay, those are the mattes. Wow, they're really pigmented. Wow. Well, her eyeshadows are always great usually. Okay. Let me clean my fingers. Okay. So let's look at the other stuff. You know what? That might have been like extras or something. I don't know. Let's see. This one's Wonder Beauty. It's Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. This one retails for $68. So it has retinol in it. 1%. This is what it looks like. Has this pump. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Next product is this Marc Jacobs Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. Perfection, and this retails for $39. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it is coming out. Okay. This is a primer. Let's see. Yeah, it's clear. You can't see anything. No, it's really blurring stuff. Okay. And the next item here is this Dose of Colors lip liner in Ruffled. It retails for $14 and it's transfer resistant with a matte finish. And it has a built-in sharpener included. Okay. Wow, it's a pretty color. I like it. There's the sharpener. Wow, it's like a corally orangey pink color. It's very pretty. Okay, let's move on. The next item is this Rowan. I've never heard of this brand actually. Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. So it's an alternative to classic lip gloss, but it's not like sticky like it is. It has mango and grapeseed oils in it. Retails for $26. So let's see, it's in the shade Charlie. Okay. Yeah, definitely a lip balm. There isn't much pigment to it. It's a very light. Yeah. Okay. Has a light scent to it. Okay. And there is one last item in the box, which is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, which is a 5-pack, and it retails for $135. This is what it looks like. Okay, yeah. That is heavy. Yeah, I love rose gold color. I don't know if it's worth the price though, but yeah. Get 5 masks. Well guys, that's it for this box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.